In this video, I'm going to teach you how to annotate a PDF in OneNote. If you find this video useful, be sure to like and subscribe, and let's get right into it. First, you'll need to open the OneNote app on your device. If you haven't already downloaded OneNote, make sure to install it from your app store. It's available on most platforms including Windows, Mac, Android, and iOS, which makes it a versatile tool for many users. Once you're in the app, look for the option labeled My Notebooks. This is where OneNote organizes all your notebooks, and you can access them easily from here. Clicking on My Notebooks will give you a comprehensive view of everything you've worked on so far. Now find the notebook in which you want to insert your PDF, hover over it, and you'll see an option to view notebook. Click on it and it should open up, revealing all the sections and pages contained within it. You can create a new page if necessary, where you will import your PDF for annotation. Once your notebook and preferred page are open, look at the menu bar for the Insert tab. Clicking on Insert will reveal a variety of options. You want to scroll through these options until you find File Printout. Selecting File Printout allows you to choose a PDF file from your computer. This option is handy for importing multi-page PDFs and effectively setting the stage for annotation. After clicking File Printout, a dialog box will appear, prompting you to select your PDF file. Navigate through your folders to find the required PDF and click Open to bring it into OneNote. At this point, the file will be processed and should appear on your selected page as a printout. With your PDF in place, it's time to get creative with annotations. Click on Draw in the OneNote toolbar. This will open a range of drawing tools that you can use for annotation. You have the option to choose between different writing tools like pens, pencils, or highlighters. Each tool is useful for different types of annotation: pens for freehand writing, pencils for sketching, and highlighters for emphasizing important sections. Now that you have your tools, you can start making notes directly onto the PDF printout. Use the pen to jot down important points, or the highlighter to mark crucial paragraphs. Remember, your annotations are instantly saved in OneNote, ensuring you never lose any notes. And there you have it. Annotating PDFs in OneNote is a straightforward process once you get the hang of it. Make the most of this feature for better organization and review of your documents. Thanks for watching, and happy annotating.